My name is Sadie Klonel, and I live in Knoxville, Tennessee, and I own Knox Survival Paint Company. Most of the time with most companies, paint samples come in eggshell. They come in eggshell, and it's usually not the lowest grade of that company's paint, but it's more of a mid-grade paint. So anytime you go higher in quality of paint, there usually is going to be more sheen. And the more sheen there is, the more washability there is. This right here is a sample paint. It is very, it's dry. If I rub it too much, we're gonna have fingerprints. So it's an eggshell, but it is a lower grade eggshell. I could wash it, but it's just not to the extent where if I have super muddy hands, or in my case, painty hands, and I rub my hand on it, that I'm gonna be able to clean it. Versus if I go into the same color that is in a higher quality eggshell, it's smooth. It is something, and they're the same application that I put on them, but it's smooth. It's something that if I were to wipe other paint on it, once it's cured, I could just get soap and water and wipe it off. And this is in a scuff resistant paint. So it actually has a tiny bit more sheen, even though they're the same color and the same finish. The number one washable paint is gonna be semi-gloss. I think that a lot of people like trim to be semi-gloss because it is super, super cleanable. Luckily, there have been, changes to paint over the years that make it so that a satin is about as washable as a semi-gloss. The difference is that the semi-gloss, it is super durable, but it is super difficult to touch up. Versus a satin, which I think is the absolute best paint for trim, where you still have some of the sheen, it's super, super washable, but when you touch it up, even if there is a little bit of a difference, you're not able to see it because the light doesn't reflect so highly off of it. When you go down to something like eggshell, it is still super washable, but once again, the reflective value is a lot less, which a lot of people like this on the walls because you want your trim to stand out. Staying with the same color in a different sheen for the trim is amazing. So if you were to go something like this that's a satin, and then you have the same color in something that's a matte, then you have the same color feeling, but the contrast is different. You've got a little bit more washability on your trim, you've got a little bit easier touch up on your walls, and you still feel like you've done something different and there's something fun within the space. Bathrooms hold water. That's just factual. You got steam all over the place and it's sitting on your walls. You want paint in your bathroom to be super, super cured. Basically what it's saying is that you want a little bit more of like an enamel in your bathroom paint so that steam sits on top of the paint rather than penetrates into the paint. When you have a flat paint, it's still leaving the surface a little bit porous, versus if you have something that's a super high sheen, nothing's getting through here. If you've got something that's more of a flat, I could probably soak something on here and eventually it would be able to soak into this board. So that's why a lot of times I say, regardless of what everything in the house is, in the bathroom, I would do a higher sheen. A satin paint or a specific bathroom paint is always gonna be better because it is more mold resistant and it's much more cleanable.